What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you the best in-game settings for Ring of Elysium for low-end PCs. Open up your video settings and set your monitor mode to full screen. Set the resolution to your native monitor resolution, but in case you have outdated components which make the game unplayable with the 1080p resolution, then you can lower this setting to 720p for example. This will make a big visual difference, but make the game playable for some of you. Next, turn off VSync and don't set your field of view to the highest amount, as this can decrease your overall performance. Set your graphics quality and anti-aliasing to low and render style to vibrant. If you feel like you have enough FPS, then you can always come back and put these settings back to normal if you wish to do so. Setting the render style to vibrant can also help you spot enemies faster, as there is less going on in your screen. I hope this helped you out. If you still need more performance, then check out my tutorial linked in the description below. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.